Record. Yeah, I started the recording. So I thought to explain you another strategy. But before that, are you following the another strategy which I have given you, like 61.8 plus channel and maybe daily level, weekly level, all other strategy which I have taught you? Is it working for you? Is it not working? I did not get any feedback for the strategy actually. If anyone
Yeah,
can.
yeah, daily in the channel, like yeah, that have upgraded like a little bit, but the previous one which you mentioned, like that was not upgraded. The CVD, like also, yeah, not upgraded minimum. It's like probably we'll have to upgrade a little more and we'll let you know.
Channel, you're working on the channels? How is it going?
Yeah,
Going
daily weekly,
on?
like that's going good. Channel, yeah, yeah, like able to understand now, like, and some of the things able to take advantage of. And also, like,
Okay.
I'm checking the other charts which others are putting on the channels and all. Like, yeah, that's also good. But CVD and all, like, it to maybe like utilize to the maximum.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, like yeah, you take the statistics on how many trade you take on based on one particular strategy. Then you will come to know whether that strategy is profitable or not. Okay, that is very important because
Okay.
I can teach you any strategy, like any simple strategy, but if you don't have stats, then it's difficult to execute, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Okay. Okay. We'll do that. Yeah.
yeah, maybe s- let's say if you are working on 1 hour, so try to take the stats on 1 hour. Let's say this for this example, let's say this is a OP chart and this is a parallel channel. Okay, prices are within this range. Okay, let's say you try to go long here. Okay, and here is the long, and let's see, and try to long here, try to take profit at the uh, later end, I mean at the channel upper end. Calculate your risk to reward and see how it's going for number of trade, like 10 trade, 20 trade, 30 trade. Then you will come to know whether that strategy is profitable or not. Okay, but
Okay. Okay. Okay.
yeah, but to explain you another strategy, maybe this is a simple one for you, I don't know, but this works well. So what you need to do here, there is a one indicator called as specimen key level. So maybe I will uh, here specimen key level specimen. Okay, so this is a indicator, and it will draw all the key levels. So just a minute. This is an indicator specimen BTC key level, and if you go to this setting, so what you need to do, you just need to uh, click on the Monday's range, and rest you need to disable. Let's say so this is a Monday range, Monday range mid and short end, and rest of the things you need to disable. Okay, all these things. Okay, so
So this is something which we have to check on Monday.
no, any day. But
Okay. Okay.
this is a Monday low, this is a Monday high, this is a Monday mid. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So strategy, what you need to do on the higher time frame, check what market is doing. Okay, so if market is going for the higher high, higher low, then your bias is only long only. Okay, so first determine the bias whether you wanted to go long or short. So let's say with this chart, op chart, you determine that your bias is long only. Okay, because this chart is bullish, is giving higher high and higher low, right? Then
Which
the
time frame is it? So it's actually like not able to understand which one you clicked actually. Okay, 1 hour. Okay.
I mean,
So
yeah, you can choose the daily or a 4 hour also is
okay,
fine to
okay, okay,
determine the bias. Okay,
okay, okay.
so uh, yeah, so in the, let's say in the on the 4 hour or on the daily, if the prices are making higher and higher low, then your bias is only long only. Okay, then go to the 15-minute time frame, and here what you see, here you see the Monday high and Monday low. Okay, so what's the strategy is? Strategy is simple. Now the you have long bias, then check, wait for the prices go above the Monday high, or wait for the prices to do the SFE of Monday low. Okay, so then you need to long. So for this instance, if prices goes above this and retest, then you need to long, and your stop loss is the higher low of the 15-minute. So let's say prices moving like this. I will give example like this, and this is a higher low, and again it retested. Then your stop loss would be this one. This is your stop loss, and you go try to target for the 1:2. Simple, 1:2. Okay, and if Monday low it's broken, if Monday low takes out and reclaim back, okay, the for this strategy, this Monday low need to take out and then reclaim back. Okay, if this happens, then you need to long here, stop loss below the 15-minute low, and you target for the Monday high. Okay, for this instance it's a Monday high is this. So you target for 1:4 or whatever the prices is. Let's say it can be like 1:2, 1:3, or 1:4 or 1:5 also, depending upon how volatile the coin is. Okay, understood? The strategy is simple. Why the Mondays high and low? If you ask me, if if you see the weekly candle, it uh, start with the Sunday evening, and it's end with the Sunday evening, right? And Monday the stock market start, the real volatility start. And if if uh, if prices is bullish, then we are expecting a run of this previous weekly high candle. Okay, so that's why this strategy I mean, this is a really no strategy, but I thought to explain you because it's simple, and it's it has good risk to reward. Even if, let's say, if you got 1:4 and your, let's say, half trade is it's run into the stop loss, it's fine. You will be in good profit. So risk to rewards perspective also is fine. Yes.
Yeah, it's actually like how they calculate this Monday high and Monday low? Is it like it takes all the previous Mondays
No, no,
statistics
this
and
is current Monday, current week.
current week Monday? Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
okay. Just
So now,
last week's. No, that's it. And it means the
yeah,
last Monday. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
yeah, yeah. This current week, Monday low and
Oh.
Monday high. So
Oh.
in from Monday, from Sunday So this is the price action of the Monday. Okay, so it went from 1.89 to this 26% move. Okay,
Okay.
so during the, let's say, 5 days, it can run into the lows, it can run into the highs also. Okay, whenever this happens, you need to take the trade. Got it?
Okay. Just one more question. Like, do you consider any other fact, like maybe the volatility it went too high, like too low and too high, or like you can we can apply it for anything?
Oh, I didn't get the question. What is
So
question?
like, is it like we can use this for any coin at any point in time, or
Yes,
is it
yes.
like
Any
whenever?
any coin, any coin.
Oh, okay, okay,
Yeah, any coin is
yeah,
fine. It works on
okay,
any coin.
okay.
Okay, let's.
Sujit bro, here we don't need to consider Monday mid, only Monday high and low.
Yeah, yeah. For risk to reward perspective, I think it's better to consider only Monday high and low. And for the
Okay.
short setup, see uh, if the daily bias is uh, bear, then you try to look for the opportunity for the short. So meaning that on the daily time frame, if prices are going lower low and lower high, then you need to look for the short opportunity only. And then what you will do, you will opposite. So whenever the Monday high it breach, so let's say Monday high breach and came back below the Monday low, then you go for the short, and stop loss would be just above the high, and you target the Monday low. Okay, and another strategy is, if prices went below the Monday low, then take the short trade. Stop loss would be a lower high of this price action, and try to go for the 1:2. If Monday high is if prices is at the Monday high, then try to target at the Monday low. Okay, try to go for, I mean, after 1:2, you can trail your stop loss to minimize your risk, but try to go for the maximum of Monday low and high. Got it? Or any
Uh,
confusion?
yeah, this is can we do this one even when the general market like it's going up? No, right? That is like
No,
we
you
use.
don't need to consider anything. If the coin
Okay,
is weak, or if the coin is strong,
okay,
then you only focus on that coin. Okay. For instance, now let's consider AVAX coin. Okay, AVAX USDT. What can be the your approach? So let's say if the Monday high run happen, so I think all this high, definitely it will take. I think so. So all this high it will take. So if price does like this, and it hold as a support Monday high, then go for the long. And here is the stop loss would be the lower high of this consolidation, and try to go for 1:2. And let's say if prices goes below this point, and it reclaim back Monday low, then you you try to go long here. Stop loss would be below low, and try to go for the Monday high. So in this case, you will have better risk to reward ratio. Here you try to go only for 1:2 if you are taking trade at the Monday high.
okay, okay.
Okay, any confusion? But you have to be very strict on the stop losses, and you have to take multiple trade, like 30 trade, 20 trade, and see whether the strategy is profitable or not. Okay, first step is form a bias using daily time frame or 4-hour time frame. And then after that, you take, if the bias is bullish, then try to go for long only. If bias is bearish, try to go for the short only.
Okay.
Okay, any confusion? So let's say this is an example of the is giving now lower low and lower high, right? So this is a lower low is breaching. It's not yet breach, but it's about to breach. So let's say your bias is bearish here. Okay, then you try to go short when the Monday's high it does the swing failure, then you try to go short here or short below the Monday low. Okay, two strategy. Clear?
Uh, yeah. Just one more question here.
Yes.
What if there are some key levels in between, somewhere here in between the high and low, like, or in that area?
Yeah, that is
Is
different strategy. This is strategy
okay,
applicable only for Monday high and low.
okay,
That's it.
okay, okay, okay,
So if you have any other strategy, let's say a daily level strategy. So let's say this is a strategy daily level. Okay, and you try to, so that is kind of different one. So if this is a daily and if you want to go long, that is a different story. Okay, but
okay,
not to get confused, and I define this strategy very simple so that you will have stats whether this strategy is working or not for you.
okay, okay.
Simple.
Yeah, yeah.
Don't need to look anything. Okay, and this strategy works well if you have coin which are trending. Okay, the coins which are consolidating heavily, you will have a lot of chop. So try to select the coin which are trending. Let's say the coin which are going up or the coin which are going down. You try to apply this strategy for the trending coin only. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Any questions?
Nothing from me. Yeah.
Okay. Uh, yeah, I wanted to explain you about. Do you know about this indicator template? Anyone knows how to use this indicator template here? So what you need to do, let's say this is a template. Uh, you, I mean, for each indicator, you can save your template. So, for instance, what you are doing, you are adding all the indicator here, right? So RSI, then key level, then any OBV indicator or any other indicator, you are adding it in one chart, right? But what you can do to organize well, you can add, let's say, one indicator and you give the name to that indicator. Let's say this is an indicator and I will give indicator name as, let's say, key level example. Okay, here it asks whether you need to remember symbol or you need to remember interval. I will say interval only. And here the key level, you can say example, you mark a star, then this indicator will appear here. Okay, and then for, let's say, for one strategy you are applying Monday low and high, then you simply click here and then that template will get open. Let's say I wanted to see clean chart. Okay, then this is a clean chart. Okay, it does not have any indicator. This is a daily high low, so I wanted to see what's the daily high low. Here I have saved the template only for this indicator daily high low. In this template it will show only the daily high and low. Let's say this is a liquidity indicator. Okay, in this case it will show only all the liquidity level. So this is a liquidity indicator chart where it shows the where the liquidity is. So this is a chart it will show. Let's say this is a smart money concept, uh, and in this case it will show all the smart money concept indicator. So if you wanted to use the confluence, I think this is a good way to utilize this template indicator. You understood what I'm trying to say?
Okay. Sure. But have not used many of the things, like probably we have to just
Sorry?
familiarize with this. Have not used this indicator, and also probably
Okay, so
we have,
if you are
yeah,
using the simple
yeah,
PA, it's fine. You don't need to use.
okay,
If you are using, I mean, smart money concept or key level or liquidity
yeah,
range,
yeah.
then you can
Okay,
use
okay.
this concept.
Yeah, probably like we'll add like this, maybe whatever we know we can add it. Yeah,
Yeah,
whatever we
yeah.
don't know we,
Whatever you are using for your trading, you can add it.
okay, okay,
Okay.
okay.
But what you can do, whatever strategy I have explained you try to backtest, and if you feel comfortable, try to execute that strategy. Okay. Here the risk management is key. You you manage your risk and risk to reward 1:2 or 1:4, and I think it will be profitable. You don't need to worry about anything. Just follow the system, whatever system I have given you.
So, second question, like you told about back testing, right? Do you use like maybe the Pine editor or something like for back testing, or
I mean, Pine script you can use, or maybe if you don't want it to spend time, what you can
yeah,
do, you just use this
replay indicator?
replay thing.
Okay, 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 okay,
Yeah. So
okay,
quickly,
okay,
like let's say for the minimum data set of let's say 10 week or 15 week, if you want to quickly check whether this strategy working or not, you simply use the replay function and see
sure.
whether the strategy is working for you or not.
Okay, okay, okay,
Okay.
okay, okay.
Try to backtest, then you will get confidence, or otherwise try to execute minimum 10 trade with
Okay,
position size, let's say 1% risk and
okay,
2% profit taking, then
okay,
you can grow your account easily.
okay, okay, okay.
Okay, I
Yeah,
think that's what I wanted to say. Maybe on the weekend, next weekend, we will have one more session to see how many. I mean, are you guys using the journal which I have explained you? Use the journal and see the statistic, what are the things you are doing wrong, whether you are following 1:2 risk to reward, or whether you are closing the trade randomly or not. That kind of stats are you going to maintain, or are you
oh,
maintaining or not?
yeah, we'll maintain like for this one, like yeah, this week we'll maintain and share, yeah,
But you
for this.
haven't
Yeah,
you
for all, yeah, for old one, like yeah, some of the things are like maintained, but some of
okay,
the trades are not maintained.
okay. Yeah, for each and every trade you try to maintain the journal, yeah.
Yeah,
uh,
yeah, yeah,
After taking each trade, whether it's a stop loss or not,
yeah.
you collect the stats whether you follow your rule or not, and what are
Okay,
the things which you did well, what are the things you did not do well, and then you will
okay,
come to know what are your points. I
okay,
mean, the profitability is not in the strategy, it's in the, I mean, what are the things you're doing wrong, or what are the emotions while you're taking the trade. This kind of
okay,
things really matters rather than strategy. Strategy, I
okay,
have given you a lot of strategy, but if you are not following any of this, you will not be profitable at any time. You have to follow the rules.
okay,
Don't flip over strategy to strategy. Okay.
okay,
Maybe write down one, two, or maybe two or three strategy. What strategy you wanted to execute, and execute that strategies only, and maintain your journal. That's it. What I wanted to say. If you are not following, then it's up to you. I mean, you will not be profitable in that case, no matter how much effort you put in the strategy. It will not be helpful.
Okay, sir.
I have given you the journal which is free. You try to utilize that one. And it's API driven, and you just need to refresh API key in that journal. That's it, and it will fetch all your trade. You just have to write down the notes in that journal. That's it. It's very simple.
Okay.
Okay. All agree that you will maintain the journal, or you are
Yeah.
not
Yeah,
agree?
sure.
Who are in call? Maybe only
No.
Irfan, Aslam, Manoj, Anup.
Yeah.
Did you understand what
Sujit,
I'm trying to say?
Yeah,
yes,
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 sir.
Monday, yes,
Okay.
Monday to Monday.
So you all commit that you're gonna maintain the journal, right? Next week I will
Yeah.
have a call with all of you, and I will
Yeah.
see your journal. Okay. Next
Okay.
next week on Sunday we will have call, and I wanted to see how many trade you took, and what are the thought process. What was the strategy? First thing is what was the strategy. Second thing, whether you followed the 1:2 risk reward or not. Third one, what are the things you did wrong in that trade? So these three things I'm expecting from you. We will have long call, like 1 or 2 hour call, and we will go through each one of trade. Okay, nothing harm in that. All are agree?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Agree.
Yeah. I will share the link again. You try to maintain in that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Bye.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye bye. Good night.
Thank you, Sujit.